Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. We are located right here in the Houston, Texas area. We're up in Porter, just north of Humble Kingwood. Take the North Park exit and head east on North Park. That'll take you up to Loop 494. It's the next light. You're going to hang a left there, and we're right down on the left-hand side, less than a mile. So if you're ever in the area, or if you need help with your pressure washing or soft washing business, that's where we're located. We ship anywhere in the United States, and you could also call or text us at 281-612-1223. Or you can email us info@DougRuckerStore. So yeah, check that out. We'd love to talk to you, love to help you. Stop in anytime. And today is my favorite day of the month. I'm going to explain that to you coming up next. All right, yeah, so this is my favorite day of the month. This is Friday, June 12th. Tomorrow's June 13th, Saturday, and I'm starting to get ready to set up for the school tomorrow. We have the hands-on training right here in Houston, Texas, along with our classroom training. And then we also normally have it in Valdosta, Georgia, but this month we couldn't do it in Valdosta because Jud has some family that are graduating, some grandkids that are graduating, I think either high school or college. So we couldn't do it in Valdosta. But I just wanted to explain to you a little bit about what we do. We always start off the day with a little bit of classroom training, just going over some general basics of what we're doing when we're cleaning exterior properties, some of the equipment that we use, things of that nature. Then we have some hands-on training right out here in front of the training shop, or the training center, where you get to use and see the equipment that we use on a daily basis, whether it's the King Slinger, whether it's the Softy electric 12-volt pump, the pressure washers that we use, 4 gallon per minute, 5 gallon per minute, 8 gallon per minute. You get to see all that. You get to use the guns and the wands that I use on a daily basis. There's only 3 or 4 different ones that I use, not complicated or anything like that. You get to use the surface cleaner, and we teach you how we clean concrete, the best way to set up, the best way to flow and get concrete done as quick as possible, and show you how using concrete, actually, that's the easiest thing I've ever found for training people how to spray roofs, is we teach you the spray technique that's needed for not just spraying roofs, but also spraying exterior buildings, and that is not flooding the surface. So we do that, and then we come inside and we do the classroom portion. We provide lunch, so right after the outdoor training, the hands-on training, we come inside. Lunch will already be here, and it's normally from Chick-fil-A or pizza or something like that. And we get right into the classroom training. And that's where I go over an in-depth training on how we clean houses, how we clean roofs, how we clean concrete and hardscape, and property protection. I always close it with property protection because that's the most important one to me. So if you don't get anything else, I want to make sure that you learn how to protect the property so that you're not damaging anything. We always start at about 8:30, and we go from anywhere till about 3, 4 o'clock. It really depends on how many people attend and how many questions get asked. And so we're here to help you, and we want to answer all the questions that we possibly can. And then when we're done, we always let people, they always want to do this, they actually start asking about midway through, over to the store so that they can just see all the items that we sell. Sometimes people purchase something, sometimes they don't. That's up to the customer. We're not here to force any type of products or sales or anything, but people do enjoy walking through the store and just asking questions about items that we sell. What's this used for? What is that? All of that kind of stuff. And so that pretty much ends the day. Now, one thing I will tell you is that once you leave, you are allowed 30-day access on the school, SKOOL platform. And you can go in there for 30 days after you leave, and you can go back and review the classroom portion because it's all recorded on video. So you can do that for 30 days. And then if you decide that you want to stay and continue and enjoy all the training that's there, as well as anything I add in the future, then you can do that. And it's right now, as of now, price subject to change, $30 a month. So we're here mainly, Ramundo and myself. Ramundo is a huge help. He does some of the training as well. And we're here to help you be successful. We can't make you successful. We can't promise you anything. It's not going to be all, beautiful and everything, but we do want to get you on the right track. We do want to continue to mentor and help you as you build and grow your business through the school platform. But your success is always going to be decided by you and your efforts, okay? We can only help coach and guide you along the way. That's why I have this big sign up here that says, education without action is just entertainment. So you can come here, get all the education that we provide, and even the education after you leave. But unless you go out and take action, you just paid some money to come here and get entertained. So everything about the school is on the website. All of that information is there. But I just kind of wanted to give you a quick little synopsis, if you will, of what we do, how we do things, what our training is all about. It's beginner level, just starting off. We want to explain everything basics, fundamental, where it's easy to understand. So you can go to pressurewashingschool.com. There's more information there. In fact, make sure you check out the frequently asked question section. That'll answer a lot of questions, especially about lodging, airport, pricing, all of that kind of stuff. And of course, the pricing is on the front page too. It's $750 if you're coming by yourself. If you're bringing someone with you, like your wife or a business partner or employee, then that person would pay $375 after you paid the $750. So the extra person gets half price. All right. So I hope that helps you guys, just kind of give you a little background of what we do, where we do it, and what the school is all about. If you have any questions, comments, put those down below. You can also email me, learn@pressurewashingschool.com, if you have more questions about the school. And we hope to see you one day here in Houston or Valdosta, Georgia, at either one of our schools. This is starting the halfway point of our 15th year, so you'll see the schedule, or probably have already seen the schedule up a couple times in this video. The next one's coming up July 11th, something like that. Okay. So thanks so much. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that bell, subscribe, hit the notification, all of that kind of stuff. And I hope y'all have a very, very blessed day.